In fact, when the stars come to the city, they come to City 1016. First, the star of City 1016. Hi, Karishma.
Hi, Tia.
Thank you for joining me in the studios today. And
My
of course,
pleasure.
with us we have, finally,
Yes.
Dulquer Salmaan, Mithila Palkar, and of course Akash Khurana as well. Guys, thank you so much for joining us in the studios of City 101.
Thank you for having us.
How did you like our surprise outside? We had a mini concert planned for you guys.
I know, coming straight out of an elevator, that's the last thing you expect. So I thought like a little photo op or something. Then on the left, there's like an entire like band happening.
Yeah.
It was great. The confetti scared the hell out of me.
Noted.
You and the other guy who came out of the elevator. No one was expecting this concert.
Yeah, none of us were. Also, the confetti doesn't get out. I mean, things that go inside my hair never get out. So I
don't know what you're talking about.
it out.
Your hair is looking very nice right now. And we'll help you later.
So we used to tease Mithila saying her hair enters the room first. And then she follows.
Well, I can't say anything to that. I would like to agree with him, but you're a guest on our show.
You must. Come on.
No, but I have to say that the way you burst onto the scene, I mean, everybody was kind of taken aback. First it was videos, and there was, YouTube, and then web series and all of that. And now you're in this movie which everyone is talking about. It's got
Yay.
Dulquer Salmaan. It looks like a great slice of life film. Tell us a little bit about how this happened.
I actually have been auditioning for films. It's just, I think I'm just glad that Karma worked out of all the auditions that happened. So Akash and I are theatre friends. We
Right.
know each other since before, and he told me that he was doing this film and that he was going to suggest my name as
Right.
one of the names. He was going to share a list with our casting director,
Right.
and my name was one of the names, and she also called me. Nandini Shrikant and Karan Malli are our casting directors of
Right.
this film.
What is her name again?
Nandini Shrikant.
Okay.
And Karan Mali.
And
हाँ, वो मैंने ये कुछ खत्म नहीं हो रहा है.
Yeah, you just followed halfway.
And so I auditioned for it, and I waited for a very long time. Then there was a short list, then there was a look test, and then again there was a really long wait. It was so long that I thought that maybe this
Gaya
is
haath
not
se nahi hone wala
yeah,
hai
it's
abhi.
not going to happen.
No.
And I said, okay, fine, now it's time to move on. And one day, randomly, Akash called me and said, yeah, so it seems like we're going to work with each other really soon.
Nice. When you have kids, you know exactly how it feels to get them into school. There's a wait list, there's a look test, then there's another wait list.
Good.
I'm done this now.
I'm prepared.
So I guess then it is all about this big Bollywood debut that you're making. Now we have some questions that we have researched a little bit. They're from everywhere, social media, Twitter, all of that. We're going to come to that in a little bit. But first and foremost, why Karma?
So, how do I put it? I've been saying this
The
in all
truth,
interviews.
the truth.
The truth is, I
The
don't,
truth.
I don't see it as a big Bollywood debut. I'm already, I think, fairly lucky to be, actively working in Malayalam and Tamil.
Absolutely, 6 years of some
Yeah,
amazing
some
big
25
hits.
plus films, and so every time I get an offer from another language, I typically want them ahead. I'm like, I'm not that familiar. I don't speak the languages. But
That's not true. When you were back in school,
Right.
you actually got a lot of points for your class for speaking the best Hindi.
No. Actually, that I don't know where you heard this. But so my Hindi teacher used to have these competitions during the year,
Right.
Where it was boys against girls,
Right.
And whoever speaks in English or not in Hindi, you'd get like a minus point, and then they tally this up at the end of the semester,
Right,
and we'd have to treat the others.
right.
But almost every time the boys won. Well, I think the girls just after a point just didn't care. They were like,
Mithila.
what is this competition?
I was not in his school.
So yeah, that I think that helped. I think that because we're all from everywhere in my
Yeah.
school, and a lot of kids from Chennai and all this stuff, and all of us kind of lost all inhibitions of speaking and sounding silly or whatever it is.
Right.
But that helped, and then I lived in Bombay for some time, and I'm sure living in Dubai helped. 'Cause
Right,
there's a
of
lot Hindi
course.
here.
Yeah.
My college was filled with kids from all over, a huge northern community. So I think I discovered more languages there.
And Karma was just
Karma
the
was
right...
something that really, if you've seen some of the films I've done, I feel like it kind of fits into my kind of movies.
Unassuming.
It seemed more realistic, and it's,
Yeah,
it's slice
of
of life.
life,
I
yeah.
love all that because those are the kind of movies I watch. Those are the kind of stuff I like to read. I don't read so much fiction. I read more biographies, or I like picking up, incidents that happened in real life
Right.
and stuff. So this seemed like that.
Well, Karishma and I were discussing it the other day, Akash, and I think I'll bring you in at this point, that you expect that this huge heartthrob, is going to make his debut in a Hindi language movie, and there's going to be he's going to be making an entry on 2 motorbikes, and then there'll be fireworks, and then he's going to be beating up a guy. Helicopter songs, he's going to go shirtless, which by the way, we're totally for, we're supporting completely.
So I haven't done this down south either.
Is always a first time.
Yes.
Take off that shirt sometimes, it's okay. You expect that it's going to be all of that, right? Then he runs and he bashes up the bad guys. Except this was just completely not how star kids are usually given a debut.
Yeah, I mean, I didn't know what to expect when we met him, and one kind of the cliched approach of people who are making a crossover do want to kind of
Right.
come out with something larger than life, and I think we got damn fortunate that he doesn't think like that. And it was really refreshing to see that his approach was exactly the opposite of that. And it
Right.
was, I mean, you keep hearing actors say that, we're looking for a good script, but then they're looking for those 2 bikes. But, or a
And a
reason to
shirtless
lose
guy.
their shirt. But, but he was
Item
actually...
number and all of that.
Yeah, he was actually looking for the script, and I think he made his decision purely on the basis of that, because, I mean, he didn't have anything to go on otherwise.
Right.
But yeah, I mean, it was a really refreshing approach. And I mean, I think another thing that really was a pleasant surprise was that when someone like Irfan is on board a film,
Absolutely.
then you think that people will have kind of second thoughts about sharing the screen, and he actually said that, I mean, if Irfan's in the film, I'm in safe hands. So that was such a refreshing thought that
Of course.
he was just looking at it differently from the rest of the world, and I think that's what makes him who he is.